Hi, I'm Ariella Vaccarino with Voice Lessons to Go, and on today's mini voice lesson, I want to concentrate on one vowel. So today, the star of our vocalize will be A. E-Y, A, like pay or day. And this vowel A is a diphthong, which means there's two vowel sounds in one vowel. All the vocalizes today I will be pulling from volume 3, Pure Vowels of Voice Lessons to Go, and I'll play them out of my book, Vocalize. The first exercise is track 6, and we're going to be saying A, 5 notes coming down. We're going to hold the first note. It actually has a fermata on it. A fermata is a circle, a half circle with a dot in it. It looks kind of like an I. It means hold the note longer. So it's a quarter note that has a fermata on it. And then the 4 notes coming after that are eighth notes. Those are faster notes, and they have dots under them, making them staccato, which means short and choppy. So you have the word fermata, which means hold it longer, and then you have the word staccato, meaning short and choppy. And remember, diphthong is a kind of vowel that has 2 vowel sounds in it, like A. So let's start. We're gonna hold the first note. A, 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 A. Very simple. A, 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 A. Try it. Hold the note and short and choppy. A, 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 A. Hold it, choppy. A, 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 A. Hold it, choppy. Anytime we do staccato notes, you're really going to feel that engage in your tummy muscles if you're doing it correctly. So as you're releasing those staccatos, you should feel it in your diaphragm, kind of like a pulsing. Sticking with A, our diphthong vowel, we're going to be singing octaves. Octaves are 8 notes apart. Every 8 notes on the piano, you get to the same note. And if you like this, by the way, take a moment and please hit like and subscribe to my videos and hit that little bell so you're notified for my new videos. So, okay, that's done. So you're singing the same note 1 octave higher. It sounds like this, like from a C to a C, back down to a C, okay? So those are octaves. Octaves are 8 notes apart. It's the interval, which is the space of 2 notes, of 8 notes. Okay, so we're gonna do A, A, A. A, A, A. Try it with me. A, A, A. A, A, A. Same exercise, and we can adjust it a little bit. So you may have my book, and just because the exercises are on a certain vowel or at a certain tempo doesn't mean you can't change it, or you can't make it staccato, for example. So let's do that here. We're going to make them staccato. Remember, staccato means short and choppy. We're going to do the same octaves. A, 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 vocalize for today for our mini voice lesson, staying on A, and this is track 8 off of volume 3, Voice Lessons to Go. I'm playing it off of page 88 in Vocalize. So let's do it nice and smooth on A. A. up, you can slow it down. You could always change vowels as well. So that's the end of this mini lesson using A as the star vowel of my video. We also used 4 musical terms: Dipthong, Fermata, Staccato, and Octave. So I hope that's helping to increase your musical knowledge. If you liked my video, please hit like and subscribe so you can find out when more videos are going to be coming out by me. I offer vocal assessments for voices all over the world, so you can send me a link to your voice and I will send you some great constructive criticism, and I really care and enjoy writing those. I also have CDs and books which you can check out on my website, voicelessonstogo.com. And I also have a Patreon page if you want to help support my videos. Thank you so much. Sing well, everybody.